Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the phylogenetic tree or a tree view. Phylogenetic tree are a evolutionary tree which is branching diagram or the tree showing the infinite evolutionary relationship in a various biological species or the other entities. Their phylogeny based on the similarities and the difference in the physical genetic characters. Taxa jointly together in the tree are the implemented to the design and the common ancestors help to the represent the evolutionary relationship between the organism and that are believed to have some common ancestors. The purpose of the phylogenetic tree for the human origin understand to biography of the origin of the particular traits and the origin of the species relationship between object and the sets like species and the molecular evolution. There are many different ways of the present the information found in the phylogenetic. In this diagram, here is a showing line present particular organism of the interest and how closely related to the one each other. There are some kinds of a phylogenetic tree, which is rooted phylogenetic tree, which is in a evolutionary history direction. It has basal node, which is the called the root, represent the common ancestor of the all the group of the tree. Root, the oldest point in the tree, which is this one. Uh, which is this one, represent the common ancestor, easily find new or old. Used entire group of the organism. Unrooted tree, lake of the common ancestor and doesn't show the indicate origin of the evolution. Shows relationship between organism and the general structures. Bifruiting tree, maximum two descendants arises. Like here is the showing birooted tree. There is a showing two branches, which is birooted tree. In the multifruitating tree, here is a showing multiple branches. You can see here the showing multiple branches. So this is called multifruitating tree. Multi-descending arises from the initials. So there are some criteria, which is efficiency, power of consistency and the relatively. And the application of this and the this is the all about the phylogenetic tree and different kinds of the phylogenetic tree. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.